Hey, morning. It's Wednesday, halfway through the week. Not much to add really. Gold pushing higher after we'd broken up, so that looks pretty good. I don't think we dipped quite as far as my support level at 1845 yesterday. What was the low? I think it was 1848. Well, I think that was actually early in the day, so I don't think there was much of a chance to jump in at the support level. But if you manage to get into a long, could be doing all right. I think we will continue to push higher. Silver actually is trying to break above the $22 area as well, which is sort of mildly positive. So, as I say, I think we can continue to push higher in precious metals for a little while. Let's have a quick look at the dollar index, which I had expected to go lower after breaking down on Monday. Yep, lower again yesterday, of course. 102.30, 102.20 is my target. That's a good support level. So I think the euro, US dollar, Aussie US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, the upside is going to be a little bit more limited now. We do have potential to move up against the US dollar, but judging by this index, I think that once we get to that sort of that mid to low 101 area for the dollar index, then we will bounce. So looking at the euro US dollar, euro's done really well, up to 107.00. Could we get up to 108? Possibly another 100 pips. Yeah, I think it's possible, but the low 108 area is definitely a very strong resistance point, strong resistance level. So I think that could be it. What else do I want to show you? Pound. Well, I've got a resistance level in the pound, 126.40. If we get up there, that's it. Really, Bitcoin still holding below the resistance level. If you're a crypto trader, hasn't collapsed yet. Think it probably will. We're just hovering. It's really rather an odd situation for Bitcoin. Seeing this just very strange sideways pattern, not something you see very often. I could probably put a little trend line on there actually, just to emphasize when that point is broken. Yeah, it's all pretty much of a muchness. S&P, we'll have a quick look at the chart. We're seeing these long lower wicks, aren't we, on these red candles? So when the market does come down, the buyers do jump in quite quickly. So, I think that backs up my point that I think the stock markets will start to recover. There are some buyers nibbling away, and I think it will be enough to push us up to the sort of the low 4,000 area. We've only got about another 50 points to get there. Dow Jones a little bit of a better performance, looking a bit stronger. You've got my resistance level on the cheat sheet. Yeah, looking a little bit more green. Nasdaq looking less positive, but possibly a small double bottom there. I could argue that it is. Doesn't look much on the daily chart. Looks a bit more impressive on the hourly chart. Yeah, that's it really. More of the same, I think, as I say, and then we should get a chance to buy the dollar again and see some weakness for other currencies against the dollar, euro, New Zealand dollar, Aussie dollar, that kind of thing, and probably gold reverse from the 1885, 1895 area if we get up there, which looks realistic. Okay, hope that's helpful. Good luck. We'll have a chat tomorrow on